So, firstly about mother vessels, we have always suspected कि mother vessels होंगे, and that is how suddenly they carry out attacks at various places. We have been searching for it for some time, but we always thought कि it must be some dhows or smaller vessels which are being used. Then we were surprised when we came to know about this MV Ruin, which had been hijacked almost 3 months back, and it was inside Somalia in Somali waters, and it had been operating there. So now when we get all the records on board and we try to study it, then we come to know that these people have been operating this as a mothership, providing rations on board, arms on board, ammunition on board, adding more pirates, and coming out, getting hold of some ship, hijacking it, and then again going back. So they have been making 2 or 3 sorties like this for carrying out piracy operations in the role of a mothership. So we understand that similar occasions, when they capture a merchant ship, they will try to use it. First, they will negotiate for ransom. If they don't get the money, adequate money, then they try to capture more vessels using this. So we suspect there may be even a southern group which is operating, and roughly it may have anything between 30 to 60 pirates on board. So this one had 35. Maybe another group will have more. So we are on the lookout for it. You are aware that one MV Abdullah has been hijacked and it has been taken to Somalia. So we are now keeping a close watch on it, whether it is going to be used as a pirate ship, as a pirate mothership. So we are going to keep an even closer watch on the ships which are operating in the Somali waters. And